Hola a todos y bienvenidos a nuestra canal de YouTube. Hi everyone and welcome to our YouTube channel. Alright, so it's a practice video that basically means that we'll do some exercises, some fun exercises to practice whatever we've learned in the previous videos, okay? So basically in this video, first of all, you will learn the basic vocabulary of hobbies and interests, okay? Now, you will also start reading small conversations and answering the questions, like basic questions based on that conversation. You will start reading small texts basically, and in this video we will also learn how to conjugate the verbs, be it regular or irregular. So do these exercises, as you know these are very important exercises and it will actually enhance what you've learned so far, okay? Also, apart from these exercises, or if you want other study material or extra exercises for your own practice, you can always contact us on the given WhatsApp number that is mentioned on the screen and in the description box as well. Also, if you want private Spanish classes, then also you can contact on the same given number. Okay, now let's begin. Okay, so for the first exercise, as you can read in the question, relaciona las imágenes con los siguientes aspectos de la cultura hispana. Hay varias posibilidades. So, on the left side, you have the vocabulary, you have certain words, and on the right side, you can see these images. Now, you have to identify what word will be match with these images, okay? And with this activity, you will learn a lot of vocabulary, okay? So, there might be one possibility or there might be too many possibilities. For example, in the image 2, it can be la música for some, and for others it can be la vida noctural, and both the options are correct. So it may be one option or it may be two options, okay? So just do this exercise and your answers will be displayed in 3, 2 y 1. Okay, so these are the answers. Of course, it might depend upon your way of thinking that what answers do you have for this exercise, okay? Now, la historia means the history, la comida, the food, el arte is the art, la música, the music, la vida noctural is the nightlife, la literatura, the literature, el cine, the movie, la naturaleza, the nature, los pueblos y las ciudades, the towns and the cities, okay? This is the vocabulary. Now what you guys can do is, ¿cuáles son para ti los más interesantes? Like, what are the things that are, interesting for you? From this list, you can just choose the things that you would like to do in your life and you can just comment it below, okay? In the second exercise also, you have to do the same thing. Eva tiene algunos planes para este fin de semana. ¿Qué cosas de la lista quiere hacer? All you have to do is, you have to see that this girl is Eva, which is in the center, and she has her thoughts listed in these bubbles, okay? So you can watch these thoughts, and from the list that is given here, you can choose what all things does Eva like to do, okay? And whatever she would like to do in her weekend. Once you've actually, written down what all are the things that she wants to do, then you can check your answers in 3, 2 y 1. Okay, so these are the things that she wants to do in her weekend, okay? As fin de semana is actually weekend, but we also need to know the other vocabulary too that is listed here. So estudiar español is to study Spanish, hacer deporte, do sports, ir al cine, go to movie, ir a una exposición, go to an exposition, salir de noche, go for a night walk, trabajar, work, ir al teatro, go to a theater, salir a cenar, go out for dinner, cocinar, to cook, hacer fotos, take photos, ir de compras, go to shopping, ir de excursión, go to excursion, leer, to read, and pasear, to walk, okay? So this is the thing. Now for the third exercise, this exercise, what all you need to do is, you have to read the school curriculum, okay? What are the courses that they offer? Imagina que en tu escuela se ofrecen las siguientes actividades. Marca 3 que quieres hacer. So basically, these are the activities that the school are offering you, or these are the courses that the school is offering you. Suppose that. Now, you need to choose 3 courses that you would like to do out of these, and you can comment those 3 courses along with their translation in the comment section, okay? Now, let's just understand what are these courses. Curso de cocina española, basically course of Spanish cooking. Curso de teatro, course of theater. Curso de baile, salsa, flamenco, merengue. It's like dancing course, and salsa, flamenco, etc. These are the dance forms, Spanish dance forms, okay? Like in India, we have Kathak, Bharatanatyam, just like that. Curso de literatura española y latinoamericana. That is course of literature, Spanish literature and Latin American literature. Curso de guitarra española, course of Spanish guitar, and curso de pronunciación, course of pronunciation. Okay. Alright, so do comment below and tell us what all courses would you like to join. Okay. Now, another exercise is lee este chat que quieren hacer Laura y Mark. So Laura and Mark are 2 persons, okay? They're strangers, and we have their conversation here, okay? Read this conversation, and all you have to do is you have to write in your notebook what Laura wants to do and what Mark wants to do, okay? By this way you will learn to read and write, okay? And also understand what actually this conversation means, okay? This is a basic one. So from here we are going one level up, and here you will start to read some short conversations like this, okay? Once you've written down what Laura and Mark actually want, then we will just go on and read this conversation. So the answers will also be displayed. So I hope you've done till now. Okay, so Laura. Hola, busco a alguien para practicar inglés. Hi, I'm looking for someone to practice English. Mark. Hola, yo soy irlandés. Hablo inglés y estudio español. What does it mean? Hi, I am Irish and I speak English and I study Spanish. Laura, ¿vives en España, en Madrid? Do you live in Spain, in Madrid? Mark says, sí, vivo en Madrid, estudio arquitectura en la Universidad Politécnica. Yes, I live in Madrid, I study architecture in the University Politécnica. Laura, qué bien, los dos vivimos en Madrid. Wow, like, how good, we both live in Madrid. ¿Comprendes bien el español, no? You understand Spanish really well, no? Mark, sí, comprendo casi todo, pero quiero hablar mejor. Yes, I understand all of it, but still, I want to improve my speaking abilities in Spanish. Mark, vivo con una chica inglesa y siempre hablamos inglés. I live with an English girl and we always talk in English. Laura, yo quiero mejorar mi inglés por mi trabajo. Trabajo en un hotel y muchos turistas no hablan español ni lo comprenden. She says that I want to improve my English because of my work. Because I work in a hotel and many tourists don't speak Spanish and nor do they understand it. Okay. So now you must have actually understood what Laura and Mark wants. Okay. So basically Laura wants what? Busca alguien para practicar inglés. To look for someone to practice English. And Mark wants to quiere mejorar su español. That is, he wants to improve his Spanish. Okay. So these are the answers. Now, in the next exercise, all you need to do is you have these verbs which are regular verbs, hablar, comprender and vivir. Now in this table you can see that some of them are done for you and you have to fill the rest of them, okay, the blank ones. So once you've done the exercise, you can check your answers in 3, 2 y 1. If you haven't, if you have any doubt in it, you can just go to the previous videos in which I've actually taught the conjugaciones in detail, and you can then learn to do this exercise. Okay, now you can also conjugate these three verbs in your own notebook, that are estudiar, aprender y escribir, for your own practice. Okay, now again we'll work with some images in this exercise. So all you need to do is you have to see that what all these persons are doing, okay, according to these images, and you have the options below, that is bailan salsa. So you have to only write the name of the persons seeing the image, that whatever they are doing, okay, like bailan salsa, visita Buenos Aires cada año, okay, like that. You have to match these images with the you have to match these given list with the names of the person doing these activities. Okay, now your answers will be displayed in 3, 2 y 1. Alright, okay, now here Stephanie y Chloe bailan salsa. As we can see that they are dancing, so they bailan salsa. Enrique visita Buenos Aires cada año. That is, Enrique goes to Buenos Aires each year, okay, yeah, every year. Noam y Florante cocinan platos españoles. Noam y Florante cook Spanish dishes, okay. Andrea escucha música en español. Andrea listens to Spanish music. Sophie ve películas españolas. Sophie watches Spanish movies. Alexander lee literatura hispanoamericana. Alexander reads Hispano-American literature. Okay. Now in this exercise, all you need to do is, as you know that we've already learned the masculine and feminine, so you have this list of, you know, some words, and you have to classify if these words are feminine or masculine. Okay, marca que palabras crees que son masculinas y cuáles son femeninas. Okay, so just do this exercise and your answers will be displayed in 3, 2 y 1. Okay, so these are the exercises. You can check your answers and correct whichever are wrong. Now for the second exercise, which is in relation to this exercise only. Now here you can see that you have three options: los nombres terminados en A, los nombres terminados en O, and los nombres terminados en I. And you have to match seeing the answers here, that what is the right answer. Okay, like suppose that los nombres terminados en A, the names which are ending with A, which are those like montaña, comida, historia, right? And the ones which are ending with O, curso, museo, teatro. The ones ending with E, they are noche and cine, like that. So now you have to classify that the ones which are ending with A are normally feminine or masculine, or are they both? They could be masculine or feminine, like that. Okay, and your answer will be displayed in 3, 2 y 1. Okay, so as you can see from this list, it happens that if the name is ending with A, normally in most of the cases it is feminine. Okay, and the names which are ending in O are normally masculine. Okay, now the names which are ending in E can be both masculine or feminine. As we can see the case in, it's la noche. Okay, so it's feminine. But if we come to cine, it's el cine, so it's masculine. So we have both of these possibilities if the word is ending with E. Okay, alright, so these were the only exercises, okay, by which we practiced a lot of skills. Okay, and now this is it. Thank you for watching the video, and I really hope that you enjoyed doing these exercises. If you have any doubts related to any question in these exercises, you can comment us. Okay, or you can contact us on the WhatsApp number or the email ID, wherever you like. Alright, now see you in the next video. Okay, till then, ciao amigos, adios, and yeah, don't forget to hit the bell icon and like, comment and share the video.